that point, we complete source of informations which generate original message. We complete input transducer that will convert our original message into electrical form. Then we complete transmitter. Transmitter do all the processings and makes our signal suitable for the transmission over the channels. The channel is your path between your input side to your output side or between your source to destination. The communication channel is affected with respect to your noise and distortions. Now we start what is receiver. It reprocesses the signal received from the channel by reversing the signal modifications at the transmitter and removing the distortion introduced by the communication channel. Receiver that will recover our original message. So, the receiver will perform all the reverse operations with respect to transmitter. So, the process can be your demodulation, decoding, demultiplexing, filtering process are the part of receiver. And in a similar way as we have our transmitted signal according to analog communication system or digital communication system, similarly we have receiver according to analog communication system or digital communication system. In this we have demodulations, in this we have demodulations, channel decoder and source decoder with respect to transmitting end. That the requirement of carrier signal in receiver having similar frequency and phase with respect to carrier signal of the transmitter is depend upon the demodulator. Means the carrier signal can be present or can't be present. For example, if we take synchronous detection, then the carrier signal is present, and if we take the example of envelope detector in AM, then there is no requirement of carrier signal at the receiver end. So, the presence and absence of carrier signal at the receiver end is depend upon the demodulation methods. And another part, if we want to process the output in the form of analog form, then this digital signal is converted into analog signal by using digital to analog converter. We take output transducer. Output transducer will convert the electrical signal received from the receiver to a suitable form of message required by the user at the destination. And the examples, it can be your loudspeaker which convert the electrical signal into audio output. Finally, we have user of information or destination. It is the unit to which the transmitted message is communicated via communication system. It is the unit to which the transmitted message is communicated via communication system. So, if I take complete communication system, so this is the block diagram of communication system, in which we have input side as well as output side. In the input side we have source of information, input transducer and transmitter, and in the output side we have receiver, output transducer and user of informations. And the three basic elements of communication system are your transmitter, receiver and communication channel. The communication channel are affected by the noise and distortions. So, the important part in communication system, the design challenge for transmitter and receiver in communication system, encode or modulate the message signal generated by the source of information. So, this part which will do? Transmitter. Source of informations which generate the message. The message, the signal, the original signal which are generated by source of informations is modulated or encoded by transmitter, is transmitted over the communication channel and produce an estimate of it at the receiver output that satisfy the requirement of user. And this part, we have transmitter, we have receiver, we have communication channel. Do all of this at an affordable cost. This is the main motive behind communication system, and this is the important challenge of transmitter, receiver and communication channel to complete all the requirement as per our destination. Stay healthy and enjoy smart learning. Thank you one and all for your precious time. Please subscribe this channel for regular updates.